Hey guys, welcome back. We've got another upgrade on our baby here, the Rivian. Today we are going to be upgrading our wheels. So as you know, we are not a fan of chrome. We've already done the chrome logo delete, we've done the chrome trim delete, and the only thing left now to tie it all together is to delete this chrome on the all-terrain bright wheels. Originally we got these all-terrain bright wheels that were $2,500, and the dark wheel option was another $1,000, so $3,500. We couldn't really justify that cost since you can easily powder coat, plasti dip, or vinyl wrap these for like about $100 on your own. So we got these cool vinyl wraps from TWRAPS. They've done us good in previous videos. Pretty easy to use, and hopefully it's the same here. Wheel wrap vinyl covers. They sell for different wheel options, and they're about $100. And all the information will be in the description box down below. And let us know if you have any questions. All right, step number one, Adams Polishes Detail Spray. Get this on Amazon, link in the description box. You want a nice clean surface to be working with here. We're gonna start off here with the transfer tape. Take this off, stick it right on top of here. Now I'm going to take this off. Push down the edges so it doesn't peel off. Push down all the air bubbles and then push down all the edges to seal it down. All right, so I did all the spokies. Now I've moved on to the little loopy. What do you call this? So TWRAPS makes this process pretty easy. They give you all the supplies and materials you need, and they even supply some extras, about 5 to 6 extra pieces. So if you ever have any boo-boos, you can fix it. This one, I like to kind of line the inner top edge. Right, so that wraps it up. Ha ha ha. Took us about 30 minutes or less per wheel. Super easy project. TWRAPS provides all the materials that you need and more. Got extras just in case you messed up. Let us know what you think. If there's any other questions that you may have, or just make sure you're subscribed and check us out in the next one.